Hello everyone and welcome to PepperAmmy's sweet chili sauce video. For this sauce you will need about 1 red pepper, 1 to 3 chili peppers, garlic is optional for an added kick, I'm using around 1 bulb, 200 grams of sugar, 175 ml of vinegar, 70 ml of water and an optional teaspoon of salt. First of all, we want to roughly chop the peppers and the chili for the blender like so. As we are handling chili, I recommend using gloves even though they are only mild peppers. And as you can see here, it was at this point I wish I had a bigger blender. We want to slightly pulse the peppers together to get a nice mix, but we do not want to overblend, otherwise you'll end up with mushy juice. As you can see here, we have nice sized pieces that will be a good base to the sauce. Next up we have the other ingredients that will be combined in a nice easy pour pan. It may look like a lot of sugar, but I am making a double-sized batch. Next up is the 175 ml of vinegar, and I've already added the water to the pan. If you do not wish to add the garlic because you are crazy and hate the flavour, just add the peppers to the rest of the mix in the pan and bring to a simmer. However, if you enjoy more garlic flavour, smash and peel the garlic, better than what I am doing. I am using most of a bulb and blend into small chunks and add to the pan. Also, as another optional ingredient, I am adding a pinch of my homemade naga and lime salt for an extra flavour profile. After a quick cleanup, I'm adding some thickening agent. You can use tapioca starch, cornstarch, I personally use xanthan gum. It is more of a pain to dissolve in water, but it dissolves in oil a lot easier. Once all the ingredients are combined in the pan, you want to bring the sauce up to a boil, continuously stirring for around 5 minutes. You want to make sure you do not overcook the sauce. As you can see, it is very hot, but won't put me off a taste test. It may look runny, but as it cools it will thicken up. No surprises, it's a pretty good sauce. The garlic is a nice addition, at least in my opinion. Once the sauce is cooled, you can move it to a clean sanitized jar or bottle and keep it in the fridge for a few months. I am yet to see a batch of this sauce turn bad, but in this house it does only last a couple of weeks. If you do not wish to add garlic because you are oh fuck, I forgot I said all that shit. As you can still